Welcome back. Lots of fun things happening this weekend, so let's head over to Lauren to check out that forecast.
Hey, good morning, Robbie. And it's going to be a perfect day to go out and about. Maybe you're going to the zoo. Maybe you're going to the fair. It's going to be a fantastic day, too. Well, go anywhere you want to outside. 72 degrees is where we're currently sitting at here across the Metroplex. And the dew point temperature is around 60 degrees, which means it feels very comfortable outside. Winds out from the south around 3 miles per hour, as well is what we're continuing to monitor here across the Metroplex. Temperatures will be on the incline as we continue into this afternoon. So just a heads up, if you are headed out and about, make sure you're wearing the sunscreen, drinking plenty of water, and bringing those sunglasses, especially if you're headed to the state fair. It'll be nice and sunny today. But I am tracking an increase in cloud cover as we move into Sunday and Monday. It's all thanks to a disturbance I'm tracking that's in the desert southwest. But a dry stretch is ahead. So we'll go ahead and dive into those forecast details as of right now. Here's a look at the water vapor imagery. You could see that big swirling motion over into Southern California as well as Arizona. What that is a big disturbance that's just hanging out across that region. We have an upper level ridge that's dominating in our forecast here across North Texas, but we're getting some of this Pacific moisture that's moving in, and that's going to increase some clouds as we move into the day today. Mostly sunny skies will be expected here across North Texas. However, moving into the day tomorrow, partly cloudy skies, a little bit more cloud cover will be anticipated. And then by Monday, mostly cloudy skies throughout the day. The good news here, though, is we're not anticipating any rainfall. Dry conditions will be persistent throughout the rest of this weekend and into the next 7 days. Temperatures right now, 73 degrees. Again, good morning to you, Fort Worth, 71 for you folks there. As we continue into this afternoon, temperatures top out in the middle 80s by lunchtime. If you're headed to the fair, 89 degrees, mostly sunny skies. It'll be a perfect day to just have a fun day here across the Metroplex and North Texas as a whole. We are sitting a little bit above average. 85 degrees is where we typically sit at for this time of the year. As we head into the overnight, mostly clear skies will be expected. Temperatures dipping back down into the mid 60s as you wake up tomorrow morning. Denton, you're waking up to about 60 degrees. Temperatures continue to climb, but we build in a little bit more cloud cover Sunday into Monday, so high temperatures will be a little bit lower than what they'll be as we move into the next week. We're talking about highs by the start of October around 90 degrees. This is why we have a big ridge of high pressure dominating in the upper levels of the atmosphere, and that's keeping things nice and toasty. But if you look off a little bit further along that eastern coast, what I'm tracking is potential tropical cyclone 9, and it's likely to gain strength and eventually become a named storm. And as it does so, I'll get the name in the forecast in just a minute, but potential tropical cyclone 9 as it moves up to the north is what we'll continue to monitor. And it'll bring lots of heavy rainfall into the eastern coast. 89 degrees, it'll stay dry as we continue through this weekend. And as we move into the next week is what we'll be anticipating. Temperatures will continue to stay above average, and we'll start October on the toasty side of the aisle right around 90 degrees.